Hey everyone, my name is Tim. In this video I'm going to explain how you can crop your videos, so how you can change the aspect ratio for, let's say, Instagram stories, Reels, TikToks, Shorts, whatever you like. So to get started, head over to your browser and we're going to use VEED's online video editor for this. Simply type in the URL box edit.new and click on enter. You can also click on the first link in the description. Now we're in VEED's editor and we can get started. We can choose one of the amazing templates, or we're going to start from scratch. I just want to simply crop my video or change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to click on upload a file, select the clip I want to crop and click on open. And after just a moment, your video is imported into the editor and we can watch the video back. I just wanted to explain what space smells like, as in nice. In this example, I'm using a video that is 16 by 9 and I want to change this to a 9 by 16, a 1 by 1, so on and so forth. I'm just going to show you how. So simply head over to settings in the left menu, and on the size, we're already in there. And on this size you can see original, but if you click on it, you have a bunch of options you can choose from. For instance, you can choose 101, which is square, which is for Instagram post, for instance. And actually it says it on the side as well. You can change it to YouTube. It's already 16 by 9. But let's say you want to change it to a Twitter and Facebook portrait. It's a 4 by 5, 9 by 16 for Instagram story, TikTok and Reels. Facebook covers, whatever you like. So in this example, I'm just going to choose square because I want to use it for an Instagram post. So I'm going to click on square. And as you can see, it changed the aspect ratio. Now this particular video is changed proportionally, so I want to change it to full screen. So to make this happen, simply click on the video and click on fill the canvas. And if you take a closer look at the video frame, if you clicked on it, you can see the side and corner options and use this to crop this video even more. You can even use the rotating options at the top if you want to rotate it. For now, I'm just going to make it a little bit more to the middle because I'm a little bit off. There you go. Let's look at it. So in this video, I just wanted to explain. Nice. Now, let's say you want to use this video for Instagram story, Reels or TikTok. Again, we're going to change the aspect ratio. Simply head over to settings again. And on this size, just simply choose 9 by 16. I'm going to choose Instagram story. And there you go. And again, the video changed proportionally. So I'm going to click on the video and click on fill the canvas to make it fit again. I'm going to use the side and corner options to make it a little bit more central. Let's have a look. I just wanted to explain what space smells like. Nice. So that's pretty much it. That's how you crop your videos and change the aspect ratio. With this editor, you can also add subtitles, audio visualizers, text, music, whatever you like. So feel free to try that out within the editor. For now, I'm just going to show you how you can export and share your video. Now to export my cropped video, simply head over to export in the right top corner and choose your preferred render settings. I'm going to use it for Instagram and then click on export video. After the video is rendered, you can watch the video back on the left. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tim. So in this video, and as you can see, we changed the aspect ratio. Now, if you want to share your video, it's very easy. Simply head over to the big blue share button below the video and you can copy the link and paste it everywhere. You can directly upload it to your socials or embed it on your website. You can also choose to download your video to your device. So to make this happen, click on the download button below the video, click on download MP4, and there it is. So that's how you crop your videos with ease and change the aspect ratio. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck and have a nice day.